Hello, my name is Rajan Martinez and I'm applying for the position of School-Based Technology Specialist. The question I will be answering in this video is describe how you have leveraged technology to address one of the FCPS ON key messages. FCPS ON encompasses 5 learning outcomes. I chose to show how I'd leveraged technology to provide professional learning for educators, as I feel this is an important component for which an SBIT is responsible. I first began training teachers several years ago using basic Microsoft Office tools such as Word and Excel. These were basic skills that teachers could use to manage their classrooms and increase productivity. As my skills began to sharpen, I was asked to be the technology mentor for my school and was given the job of assisting teachers with any technology issues they might face, and also assisting them in learning the many technological tools that were rapidly taking their place in school. This included many professional development days where I taught a class on using a specific tool or to show teachers how to create curriculum for their classrooms and students. When I moved to Arizona and became a teacher at a school that had one-to-one iPads, I had to develop a program to teach students specifically through the iPad using the iTunes U platform. It was exciting and challenging at the same time, and I became the staff expert on creating and implementing digital curriculum and soon became the go-to person for every teacher. After moving to a new district, I planned from start to finish a one-to-one Chromebook initiative for my district. I did all the research, picked out the Chromebooks, planned with the IT manager, and sought approval from my superintendent and Board of Education. During this time, I trained the teachers in my district on using Google Classroom, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft tools, and on managing and using one-to-one technology in the classroom. The past few years, I've assisted teachers in their classrooms with troubleshooting technology, integrating Kindles, and using computers and iPads in the classroom. Over the past several years, I've taken on more leadership roles, including trainer and facilitator of the Gifted program and teacher training, and am currently the team lead for my 5th grade team of teachers at my school. This past year, I have planned and implemented a technology program for my school. Every other Thursday, I plan and train teachers in everything from Google Classroom, Google Tools for the classroom, including Google Slides and Google Forms, and other programs like Flipgrid, Pear Deck, Deck Toys, and many others. I've also created an online website full of videos for those teachers who cannot attend one of my training sessions or who would like a quick review of the topics covered in one of my professional training development sessions. One of the most important things a teacher and trainer can do is improve their own professional learning. I just completed a 4-year program where I earned my doctorate in educational leadership and curriculum and instruction. My dissertation was a correlation between a teacher's technology knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge, and how it affected how deeply they integrate technology. In my experience, I find that leveraging technology in professional development, as well as in my own classroom, provides engaging, relevant, authentic learning and an infinite amount of educational opportunities for teachers and students.